Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be using the Ninja Foodi Grill. We're going to be cooking 2 frozen pork chops in the Ninja Foodi Grill. We're going to follow the directions that they recommend for frozen pork chops. The only difference between this and those pork chops, those are bone-in, these are boneless. Now from frozen it says turn the grill to medium and you're going to cook for 20 or 23 minutes. So we're going to cook them for 20 minutes, and we might have to tack on a few extra minutes due to the bone, but we're not quite sure because we've never done this before. This is just an experiment. One's going to be sprayed with avocado oil, salt and pepper, and perhaps a little garlic will be added. The other one, we're going to see if we can get shake and bake to stick to a frozen pork chop. I have to admit, I really, really love shake and bake pork chops. I know. And we're set up, so come on over and let's get this pork chops party started. To start, you want to make sure your ceramic pan is in here. We're just going to go ahead and place the Ninja Foodi Grill grate right in there. Your mesh is inserted. It's like a metal mesh that protects the burner. We're going to go ahead and lower the lid. We're going to turn the Ninja Foodi Grill on. Grill, we're going to select medium, which is 450 degrees. And I'm just going to hit start. We're preheating right now. I'll adjust the time when we add the pork chops. So these are 2 frozen pork chops. You can see the frost that's on them. Also, they're hard as a rock. So like I said before, we're going to do one and shake and bake, and we're going to do the other one with avocado oil, salt, pepper, and garlic. So let's just get started on the shake and bake one. So to get started with the shake and bake, we're going to take that shake and bake, we're just going to put it right in the bag. So I'm going to take that pork chop, just going to put it in some water, like they said, put it in a little water, and we're going to put it directly right into the bag. This works. Cross your fingers, peeps. Cross your fingers. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Ooh. Shake your booty. Ooh. Since I haven't figured out to put music into the videos yet, you're going to put up with my singing. Shake, shake, shake. All right, let's see how we did here. All right, it's not bad. It's a fine coating, which is fine. We're going to see how this cooks up. Let me put that off to the side. Now the second chop. We're going to take some avocado oil. Let's give it a light spray. That should be good right there. We're going to be taking some pepper. Putting that right on there. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of garlic. Now, of course, you always season both sides. Flip the guy over. Spray it with a little bit of oil. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of garlic. Beautiful. These chops are ready. These frozen chops are ready for the Ninja Foodi Grill. We just have to wait for it to preheat. Looks like we have 1 to 2 minutes left on that. The Ninja Foodi Grill is telling me to add the food. Gonna go ahead and open it up. Gonna take my tongs. Whoa, these are slippery chops. Ooh, we got a little bit of a sizzle. And we're gonna put the other one right here. There we go. We're gonna go ahead and lower the lid. The time defaults to 10 minutes, so what we're going to do is increase the time. I'm going to set it for, the max, which is the 23 minutes that they recommend for boneless pork chops. These are bone-in, so we may have to go a little bit further. But others have found that the Ninja Foodi Grill sometimes cooks things much, much quicker. So it's been 11 minutes. I'm going to raise the top. These pork chops, I mean, they look really, really good. I'm just going to flip them. And this is when you're going to find, look at that grill mark. Beautiful. This is when you're going to find your Ninja Foodi Grill smoking a lot, is when you flip items of meat. So we're just going to immediately shut the lid, and we have 12 minutes and 44 seconds left. We have 4 minutes left. I'm just going to pop the top. These pork chops are looking really good. Flip it again. The shake and bake's getting a little dark, as you can see. Look at that. So you might want to put that one, I'm trying to think how it was before. There we go. All right, since we have it open, I do want to do a quick temp on these pork chops, just for fun. All right, we're at 123. Oh, wow. This pork chop is done. So you know something? I'm going to pull that one, and we're going to cook the shake and bake one a little bit longer. Gorgeous, look at that. Look at that. All right, we're going to set that. I'm going to put this one in the center. And I'm just going to shut the lid. Okay, so we have 1 minute and 40 seconds left. Let's temp this guy. Wow, it still says 141. Yeah, this is insane. Let me try a different thermometer. Getting concerned now. Come on. Yeah, it's accurate temperature. Shoot. We're gonna let it cook for the full 23 minutes. Wow, I just can't believe the difference in chops. I'm not sure if it's the coating or what it is. Interesting. We have 10 seconds left. Let me see if I can jump it up. There we go. Whew, made it. We had like 4 seconds left, so I wanted to add like another minute or two. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 minutes because it wasn't, it still said like 141. I'll probably take it out. I'll check it in 1 more minute, so that'll bring the time up for the shake and bake pork chops to 24 minutes, where the other pork chop cooked in 19 minutes. So I find it rather interesting. They're about the same thickness. They're not really, there's not that much different between them. I will show you both when we do the taste test. So we have 1 minute left. I'm gonna pop the top. The shake and bake is getting really, really dark. All right, that's done. The carryover is gonna make sure that's done enough for the way we want it. It'll bring it up probably to like 155 to 160. But there's the shake and bake pork chop. A little bit of brown around the edges. It's not too bad. I mean, it looks fine. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the Ninja Foodi Grill off. Leave it open so it can cool down and you can wash everything. Here's what they look like prior to the taste test. I just wanna bring that up. It is oozing just a bit. That's how thick that one is. So I think around the bone area, it's slightly thicker, but you know something? It's not that much thicker, but it only took a few extra minutes. So we have this pork chop done in 19 minutes, and this pork chop is done in 24 minutes. They both look fantastic, by the way, but I'm gonna let them cool so the juices don't run out when we cut into them, and then we're gonna do that taste test. Time for that taste test. We have a plain pork chop, well, I shouldn't say plain, from frozen pork chop, salt, pepper, garlic, cooked on medium, which is 450 on the grill for 19 minutes. This is pork chop number 2. We decided to shake and bake it. Also cooked at the same temperature. Time-wise, this one took 24 minutes. They both look good. These pork chops are just what you can get at the supermarket. It's whatever you pick up in a package. I didn't want to go outlandish and get like super thick pork chops. This is what most people have in their homes. This is what most people pick up on their way home from work. So let's get to that taste test. I know, I always give the shake and bake first, but let's go to the one with garlic and stuff. Now let's try the inside piece here. A little chewy. A little dry. Yeah. This one's very, very dry. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. It's just, they're very dry. So let's go to the shake and bake one. Hopefully this one will be better. Still chewy. It's actually more moist than the other one. Yeah. It's much moister than the other one. But is it still the way I would want it? No. These pork chops need work. I'm not sure if you can actually take a pork chop from frozen and cook it this way. Maybe it overcooks it or dries it out. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Have you made pork chops from frozen in your Ninja Foodi grill? Have you used the grill function or did you use air crisp? We used the grill function today, so just let me know how your pork chops actually came out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notifications button, bell. Also, thank you so much. Spread Pressure Crisp all over social media so I can keep these videos coming. And also, finally fixed my audio. I know, it sticks out a bit, but I am going to get the wireless, the lapel thingy soon. But I finally fixed my audio. I actually had to go out and get some wireless mics. The other microphone just wasn't working. I dropped it, so we did splurge on this. So thank you for watching the videos. This is what helped pay for this. So once again, give it a thumbs up. Spread Pressure Crisp out there. Thanks a lot. Take care.